let me share to you a behind-the-scene action in my new vegetable garden. I had a long day at work last night, kaya samahan niyo ako to relax by transplanting these giant romaine lettuce. And I'll document the progress in this planting journey. And hopefully, I can create you a full tutorial video. Sa totoo lang, working from home is getting a bit boring na. Kaya naman, I'm slowly going back to gardening. At syempre, you can expect new videos from this channel. Samahan niyo ako and let's grow together. See you next time!